So you want to make TikTok videos. It looks like this. I got you. All right, so step one, you're gonna need a clip. We're gonna go on ahead and grab this clip right here. We're gonna go on ahead and left click, slide it over. And then you're gonna wanna grab your playhead here, and you're gonna slide it all the way over to the scene that you need it. I wanna bring it right before I bring the heartbeat out. I wanna hit Control B, hit left click on that mouse, and then delete. Then it's gonna shift it over by itself. Go to where exactly that you want it to end. This dude's in the tub. All right, that's where I want it right there. And then I'm gonna press Control B. I'm gonna hit left on my mouse, and then I'm gonna hit delete. All right, so now that you got your intro and your outro already clipped out, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna come up here to this part right here where the negative and then there's a plus. You're gonna wanna make this smaller just to give you more view. If you don't wanna do that, you can also press Control negative or Control plus, and they'll also shrink your timeline. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come up here to my timeline, and then I'm going to go on ahead and right click, go to timeline, and then timeline settings. All right, so now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use project settings. Check that off. You're going to come down here to where you have to customize your own settings. You're going to go on ahead and delete that, and I'm going to use 720 by 1280. Okay. Bam. It changed my screen because that's how I have my whole hotkeys and everything right here. But check this out. All right, so now that we got that done, what we're going to do is we're going to go on ahead and right click on the mouse pad, and we're going to come up to copy. Then you're going to want to paste, and then you're going to have a scene there, and then you're going to want to paste again. You're going to bring the first scene up, bam, and then you're going to grab this scene, and then you're going to stack it on top. All right, so now that you got all your clips stacked up, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come to this line right here and stretch this whole scene out, so you can actually see what you're doing. Now you're going to be using this mouse right here, or you can use the sidebar because it's a little friendlier sometimes. Now that you stretched out your scene, you're going to want to come down to your bottom clip, and you're going to want to go on ahead and click that right there. Okay, then you're going to go to transfer, and you're going to grab this little white dot here, and you're going to stretch it out as far as you can. You're going to want to scroll up one, or grab the slide bar right here, and then you're going to want to click on your second scene. Here's your second scene. You're going to stretch that out as much as you want it. Bam. You're going to need your camera. A lot of the TikTok videos,
I ain't got a gas
on the top of their video, you're going to want to go on ahead and highlight your top one. You click your arrow here, and then you go to crop. You bring. Hey guys, unfortunately TikTok only gives us 3 minutes to do these videos, so if you like, you can head on over to YouTube. You can find the whole how-to video there, or not, you can find me live on Facebook Monday through Friday, 6:30 till pretty much when we get tired. Don't forget to jump in the chat. I like pickles, so go on ahead and drop a pickle in the chat, and we out.